So this is just a quick tutorial on how to use your T-square and your triangle. Your T-square should always have full contact with the edge of your desk or your foam core. One of the biggest problems people have is that T at the edge of your ruler loses full contact with the edge of the board that you're working on or the table, and then that takes away your straight parallel horizontal line. And without that, you can't get your vertical line with your triangle, okay? So it's really important to keep contact with the T-square with the edge of the board or the table. And then what you can do is shift your ruler up and down, and what happens is that you get automatic parallel edges. So just by moving my triangle left and right on my ruler, or moving the ruler with the triangle up and down, I can get parallel lines. So I'm not even moving my triangle off of the ruler usually, unless I'm doing the second set of lines. So one set of the lines that I label A in this diagram is with the right triangle in this position right here that it's in. And then now I'm working on, or at least a moment ago right there, I was working on B, right? I was working on the two ends of the isometric. And then I flip my triangle. The triangle always sits in the same position with that small vertical straight up and down from your ruler, and you open it like a book one way and then the other, but that's the only position your triangle should ever be in. Okay? All right.